How you doing, everyone? So here we have the daily chart with the company and ticker WERIDE, ticker WRD. And this is scheduled to have earnings released on March 23rd, 2023. So for this pair, right, or this symbol, the fact that it's at $6 right now, I don't see it breaking past $6, but if it does, then it's has the potential to hit five. But for my view, I would like to see it basically break above 686, even seven if you want to call it even, and then retesting that area and then possibly continuing up towards either 750 or even $8. And this looks like a good bounce back. So that's what I wanted to see for WeRide for upcoming this Monday. If you have any questions or would like for me to check any type of other symbols or tickers, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And if you would like a further breakdown of these videos, then again, let me know so I can go ahead and do that. I try to keep these videos short and sweet so it's not taking up much of your time. You can really view these and then basically plug and play them. And that's basically it. If you have any questions on how I draw these zones or why I put them there and anything like that, again, let me know. I like the interaction. I like the engagement. I'm here to just basically help anyone and everyone who's willing to just ask questions or want more insight. Again, just here to help. Also, if you would like to help me, please comment, like, even subscribe. You can follow me at my social medias at Nelly underscore Nughz, Nughz. And it's a name I was given. I've been doing this for 10 years, so it's been a name that's stuck for a while. And I just started coming up to the whole YouTube game thing where I'm trying to post as consistently as possible, aside from my mentorship. But with that being said, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and ask any questions. I'm not here to offer anything but help. That's it. I don't care about anything else. I'm just here to offer help on these charts. That's it. If you want me to break anything down, I will do so. No charge. Just all I need is for you to just comment down below and let me know. That's it. So with that being said, let's see what WeRide does on the 23rd of March, which is this Monday, and we'll see how it goes from here. Hopefully we can get a nice little bounce. All right. Have a good one. Y'all have a blessed day and a profitable week. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and stay profitable, my friends.